Visiting Los Angeles with your family? It's an exciting adventure. The city offers countless attractions, warm weather, and wide roads for exploring. But moving a family around can be tough without the right transportation. This is where a family car rental in LA can make your trip smooth and enjoyable. You can load your luggage, snacks, and toys without worrying about space. Take breaks when needed and enjoy a relaxed pace. Choosing the right vehicle is essential. Smaller families may prefer a mid-size sedan, while larger ones might need an SUV or minivan for extra space. A comfortable car with good air conditioning will keep everyone relaxed. Kids need snacks and entertainment, while parents need easy access to their items. Choose a car with enough interior space for luggage and snacks. Planning routines for loading and unloading helps busy days run smoothly. This convenience reduces stress for everyone. When traveling with kids, flexibility matters. Family trips often don't follow strict timelines. Renting a car allows you to adjust plans on the fly. Leave early to beat crowds or stay late at the beach. You can stop at playgrounds or scenic spots whenever you want. Safety is a top priority. With a rental car, parents control the environment. Traveling can get expensive, especially with a family. Renting the right vehicle helps balance comfort and affordability. Compare rates ahead of time and book early to secure the best deals. Fuel efficiency is important to reduce costs. Understanding insurance options can also help keep expenses predictable. Before arriving at the rental office, gather all necessary documents. Have your driver's license, payment method, and reservation details ready. Knowing whether your car requires a full tank upon return will keep things smooth. This helps avoid last-minute stress and additional charges. Looking for a family car rental in LA? Check out Value Rental Car. They have convenient locations in Inglewood and Pasadena, making it easy for families to explore Los Angeles comfortably. Enjoy your trip, plan at your own pace, and create lasting memories in the City of Angels.